I literally woke up to a notification that my Sephora order was here, and it's taken forever. Like, I placed it, I'm gonna say I placed my order on like the 10th or 17th or something. Like, it took like 2 full weeks to get here. I decided to just do this with a bare face. I did not feel like putting on makeup and then having to shoot another makeup tutorial afterwards to take it all off. So, me, bare face, no makeup, no filter. So today I'm going to be doing a Sephora VIB Rouge spring sale unboxing for you guys. I got a bunch of stuff during the sale. It was all 20% off, which I love. Of course, I buy from Sephora throughout the year, but during the 2 sales they have during the year, I've had VIB Rouge status for a long time, so I try to wait until the 2 sales, like the one in springtime and the one in the holidays, like their friends and family sale, I think it's called. But yeah, I get 20% off, so any like big purchases, I try to like wait until then. So let's start the unboxing. Okay, so let me tell you what everything is. Any samples come? They do any samples? Oh, they did. Of course they aren't the samples I asked. Anyway. They gave me Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation samples. And then they gave me Dry Bar Clarifying Shampoo and Lightweight Conditioner sample. I love these. For samples, I always, if there's a shampoo conditioner combo, I always get it, because for when I'm traveling, it's just so much easier to grab one of these packets and throw it in my bag for a weekend, instead of bringing my whole whole hair care system bottles and all that stuff. So I use these religiously for travel. So first things first. I mostly actually got makeup brushes this time around. So this is a Shiseido Hanatsubaki Hake polishing face brush. And this is a Shiseido Diafude face duo. So let me unbox these brushes. So both of these are really interesting brushes, which is why I bought them. The first one is supposed to be dual-ended. Oh, and the dual end comes with a cap. How lovely. Oh, it's not like a sturdy cap. It's definitely just like a packaging cap. Oh, well, whatever. Basically, this brush has an end that's like silicone jelly that's supposed to mimic your hand. So like, if there was anything that I wanted to put on my face with my fingertips, I could use this instead. So I was really interested in that. I really like applying a lot of stuff with my hands because I feel like it gives like a nice natural finish. So I want to see how good this is at supposedly mimicking fingertips. So silicone, squishy. And then this is just a brush. It's supposed to be a blending brush. It's really soft. And I actually really love the fact that it was red and black. Reminds me of the Louboutin. Yeah. And then the next Shiseido face brush. Okay. Inspired by the Shiseido Camellia, this uniquely designed brush features 4 distinct petal sections to buff skin for a smooth and seamless finish. Designed for use with any powder formulas. She's so cute. So you see how it has 4 sections, like a petal, like the petals as they described. And this is supposed to buff things out really, really well. This is also really soft. I really can't wait to use these. Okay, so basically, whenever I get brushes, I always wash them before I use them. So I'm gonna wash these and then shoot my little makeup tutorial, or not tutorial, but try on of my Sephora haul. And then I got the Hourglass Seamless Finish Concealer Brush. So the reason I got this concealer brush is because all the concealer brushes I have are flat. They're like those traditional flat concealer brushes. And I felt like they weren't doing a great job. Like I felt like there was no blending aspect of it. So this, you can see it's like a fluffy concealer brush. It has like a flat side, but then it has this blending side and it's, you know, angled. So I'm hoping that I get better concealer application on this, because I feel like the flat side I could use to pat on the concealer for coverage, and then this fluffy end I could use to blend it in. I actually did a cleanup and overhaul of all my makeup brushes and gave away a lot of them to make way for these, because I just felt like I had a bunch of makeup brushes that weren't performing the way I would have liked them to. And I was just like, why do I have so many makeup brushes? Most of them I either don't use or aren't happy with the way they work. So I gave them to an aspiring makeup artist. I donated it. I gave it to the girl who said she really wanted to build out her makeup kit but just couldn't afford to, so I gave them to her, and I really hope she's getting good use out of them. I really hope she's getting good use out of them. I hope she gave them a good loving home. It's packaging now. Okay, next I got the Pat McGrath Lab Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Setting Powder. So, if you don't know already, I have the Pat McGrath foundation, I have the concealer, and I have the setting powder, the eye setting powder. But this is like the overall face setting powder. Really wanted to try this. I heard this gives like an extra layer of coverage to the foundation, because the foundation is really light coverage. And I just wanted to see how it would perform. Weightless buildable microfine setting powder. Runway tested, mother approved. Love it. Little stickers there so that it's flying everywhere. Ooh, okay, I opened it. It's flying everywhere. It's cool. I like that it doesn't have like just like holes. It has like a mesh thing, so definitely like gives you like more even powder dispersion or dispensing. Yeah, it definitely dispenses the powder more evenly than like traditional. You can already see it. Mesh instead of just like holes in plastic. So that's cool. Can't wait to try this baby out. And then this is the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush in Bikini Martini. I am super excited about this. I'm a little taken aback at how tiny this is. Like, this looks like sample sized. Like, yeah, this looks like a sample size. Especially for $20, this is kind of like really tiny, but this is the color I got it in. Super pink. If I like this one, I'm gonna venture into a few of the other shades. Yeah, I'm excited to try this. I love cream formulas, so definitely for me. And that's it for my unboxing. I am going to try these products on for you in another video and show you guys how I'm using them and how I like them, first impressions, all that good stuff. So join me for my next video where I try all this stuff on.